The Eden range from Hartman offers a breath of fresh air for outdoor furniture. Providing the perfect centre in your garden, the Eden has eye-catching rope wrapped around a strong aluminium frame. Combined with wood effect detailing and extra chunky cushions, the range is luxurious and comfortable. Available in 2 elegant colourways, Moss Juniper and Carbon Noir, the Eden Showcase is a great alternative to current furniture palettes. All-weather resin rope is expertly woven in a vertical pattern around an aluminium seating area and neatly cored around the armrests for a stunning finish. The seating is completed by neat wood effect legs in an acacia colourway. With adjustable feet on both the seating and table, this provides a level finish on uneven surfaces. The wood effect legs match the range's stunning tabletops, which have a wooden slatted finish. Easy to wipe clean to keep looking their best. They are ideal for your drinks and snacks. This wood effect is achieved with a Folie foil wrap, heat treated onto the aluminium frame. Heat, fade and scratch resistant, Folie has a durable, low maintenance finish for a natural look without the hassle of real wood. Eden seating is topped with extra chunky cushions for that indoor look outdoors. Providing a soft, comfortable seat, these cushions are made from Hartman's weatherproof, weather-ready material, so you can keep them outside all summer long. The cushions are held in place with the slip-free mats on the chairs and Velcro straps on the stools to stop them from slipping around. Eden offers a comprehensive selection, from single, comfortable loungers all the way up to luxurious sets for 8 of you and your friends, meaning there's something to suit a variety of garden settings. You can choose from 2-seater sofa sets, 3-seater sofa sets, square corner sets, rectangular corner sets, 4-seater dining sets, 6-seater dining sets. Or if you prefer something smaller, there is also 2-seater bistro sets and sun loungers. Each set is covered by an extensive 3-year manufacturer warranty on the frames and 12 months on the cushions for that extra peace of mind. Hartman branded covers are also available for each style of set. Whichever you choose, the Eden effortlessly enhances your patio, poolside or garden space. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If so, why not check out this next one? This and more is all available at gardenforless.co.uk.